Welcome to Renata's Cookhouse. Today I will prepare a very traditional, popular Bengali recipe called Chirey Bhaja or fried flattened rice. It's a snack, however, some people like me can have it as a meal. It's very filling, tasty and crunchy. We are in the ninth cloud when we munch it with a cup of tea. It's very easy to make and it can be prepared at a very short time. If you like my recipe, please hit the like, subscribe and the bell icons below so that I can share more recipes with you. The ingredients we need are flattened rice or chirey, thick or thin, 1 cup. Chirey bhaja made with thick flattened rice is crunchier than the chirey bhaja made with the thin flattened rice. Sliced onion, 1/4 large. Chopped green chilies, 4. Sliced coconut, 1/8 cup. Peanuts, 1/8 cup. Curry leaves, 15. Salt to taste. Ghee, 1 teaspoon. Refined oil, 1 tablespoon. Mustard seeds, black, 2 teaspoon. Grinded ginger, 1 teaspoon. Grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Bombay mix or chanachur or Chirey Bhaja or bhujia as per taste, optional. To make Chirey Bhaja, we first need to heat about 1 teaspoon of ghee and about 1 tablespoon of refined oil in a pan. Then add the mustard seeds and the peanuts. Saute in low heat till the mustard seeds start popping and the peanuts become golden brown. Stir frequently. Then add the curry leaves, ginger, onion, coconut slices and chilies. Saute in medium to high heat till the onion is light brown and a nice smell comes out of the curry leaves. Stir frequently so that the masala doesn't get burnt and heat is distributed evenly throughout. Add the chirey and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Saute in medium to low heat till the chirey becomes crispy and become yellow. Stir from time to time so that the chirey does not get burnt or become brown. After 5 to 6 minutes or when the chirey becomes yellow, taste it. Add whatever is required. Add it about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. As in our case, the chirey was not crispy, I cooked for another 4 to 5 minutes in low to medium heat till the flattened rice became crispy. To check it, eat few chirey or flattened rice or break the chirey with nails. If it breaks and becomes powder and makes a breaking sound, it is crispy and done. Sprinkle Bombay mix or chanachur or bhujia on top before serving, but it is optional. It can be stored in an airtight jar as well. However, it tastes best when eaten hot and fresh. Warm it each time before eating for best taste. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.